Hello friends, my name is Yash Thakur and I am from second year electrical engineering department and I am here to explain you the working of an automatic plant watering system through a simulation using Arduino. So, I've already taken all the components which are to be needed for the circuit connection. So, we require Arduino board, a resistor, a LED, a relay, a DC motor, a soil moisture sensor and a power supply. So, let's start the connection. First, we have to connect the power pin of the moisture sensor to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So we would connect this power pin of the moisture sensor to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino here. Now we have to connect the ground pin to the ground of the Arduino. So we would connect this ground pin of the soil moisture sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino, which is here. Now we have to connect the signal pin to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. So we would connect the signal pin of the soil moisture sensor to the analog pin A0 of this Arduino. Now we have to connect the relay terminal 12 to the positive terminal of the power supply. So this is the terminal 12 of the relay which we have to connect to the positive terminal of the power supply. And terminal 8 to any digital pin of the Arduino. Here we are taking pin number 7. You can take any pin of your choice. So this is terminal 8. You would connect it to any pin of the Arduino. We have to connect the terminal 5 to the ground pin of the Arduino. So it connect this terminal 5 to the ground pin of the Arduino here. Connect terminal 6 to positive terminal of the motor and connect the negative terminal of the motor to the negative terminal of the power supply. Now this terminal 6 would connect it to the positive terminal of the motor and the negative terminal of the motor would be connected to the negative terminal of the power supply. Connect the resistor to the cathode of LED. We would connect this cathode to the terminal 2 of this resistor and the terminal 1 of the resistor we would connect it to the ground. Connect the anode of the LED to the digital pin number 8. You can take any pin of your choice. Here I am taking digital pin number 8. And now the circuit is completed. So now, as the circuit is completed, we'll understand the code which you would use to make our circuit work. So here's the code which I have already written. So let's have a look at it. So this code is for an automatic plant watering system using an Arduino and a soil moisture sensor. Here's a brief explanation. So the functions used in this code would be explained by me one by one. So first, setup function. It configures the Arduino pins. Pin A0 is set as an input for reading the soil moisture. Pins 7, 8 and 9 are set as outputs. These pins control the watering system. Second, loop function reads the analog value from the soil moisture sensor connected to pin A0, prints the soil moisture value to the serial monitor for debugging. If the soil moisture is below a certain threshold, in this case 100, pins 7 and 8 are set to high. These pins are presumably controlling the water pump or valves to water the plant. Pin 9 is set to low. This pin might indicate that watering is needed if the soil moisture is above the threshold, indicating the soil is moist enough. Pins 7 and 8 are set to low to stop watering. Pin 9 is set to high. This might indicate that no watering is needed. In summary, This code continuously monitors the soil moisture level and controls the watering system based on whether the soil needs watering or not. So now we shall start the simulation and see how it works. So as we can see, when the soil is dry, the LED glows, and when the soil is wet, the LED stops glowing, indicating that the soil has enough water and does not need more of it. So this is it for today's video. See you in the next one. Hope you liked it. Thank you.